We guide you through how to set reminders in Slack. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Slack workspace on desktop or mobile and go to the channel or direct messages where you want the reminder. To set a reminder, simply type slash remind followed by what you want to be reminded about. For example, slash remind me to report, then add the time like in 1 hour, tomorrow at 9 a.m., or a specific date and time, and press enter. Slack will automatically confirm your reminder and notify you when it's due. If you want to set a reminder from a specific message, go over to the message, click the three dots, more actions, and select remind me about this. Then, choose your preferred time. You can also set reminders for channels or team tasks using the same command format, making it easier to manage grouped deadlines.